Well, what a beautiful day to spend walking on the beach. What isn't so clever is I've left my bloody pipe at home. Can you believe it? I got here on the beach, got all my gear out, no pipe. Ugh. Wounded, cut me to the quick. But anyhow, we're on West Kirby Beach. After the video, I'll show you where it is on the map. But I just thought I'd let you have a quick look around. Look at this sky. Look at these sunglasses. Anyway, how'd you fancy living there, eh? Look at that. Imagine throwing your curtains back and seeing this beautiful view. Hey, look at this. Go do. I was talking to my eldest's boyfriend, and he keeps telling me off for whizzing the camera around and pointing it at various things. He said, why don't you just press the button? I thought, well, I'll try that. I'm going to try it now. I'm going to try it now to show you a view of the D estuary. Ready? Pressing the button now. There we go. That's the D estuary. And that chunk of land just over there is baking it. So there you go. There we go. Isn't this lovely? A lovely day on the beach. So now you know. Well, I've just been chastised at my limited geography there because that little chunk of land over there wasn't Birkenhead, it was Prestatyn. So the Welsh Wales, where they get a bit too fond of sheep. Anyway, I've been corrected, so there you go.
I'll pick you out.
Did I mention earlier on that this is the River Dee estuary over here behind me? And what happens during spring high tide is all this fills up with water and it all gets compressed down the way there to where it narrows, and that sends a giant wall of water that can be up to 9.5 metres high rushing back up the River Dee up towards Chester. Now a lot of the adrenaline junkies like to jump on their surfboards or canoe with the wave, and it drags them miles and miles inland. But can you imagine at 9.5 metre wave going on down there, down by the power station? Scary monsters. But the best thing about it is that's going to happen tomorrow. Spring high tide. There you go. I've had a smashing day on the beach.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Who's that you're saying? That's Michelle. Can't beat having a can on the rocks.
Well, the old trick, the old kosher salt and alcohol trick. Done this to this pipe. It says Italy on it, but it's actually a cistern pipe made by Peterson's for Italy. A bit like Bob's pipe. Okay, £4 on the car boot, but it tastes a bit sour, so I'm having a go at doing this. So see what happens. Well, I've got all the salt out of it and a bit battle scarred in it in the front. I think it was like that before. And say it's a cistern pipe with a peeling. Italy, you see that? I looked it up and say Peterson's made them for the Italian market. Or is it 305 or something like that? Well, maybe someone can tell me, but I'm gonna have a smoke of this in a bit. See if it tastes sour, or might taste the vodka. Put that kosher salt and vodka in. Nick some of my daughter's vodka. She wants me to buy her a full bottle now. I've nothing, only use a cap full. Kids, eh? So that's the wife's Hoover inside. Sunday fantasy. Put some of that in. It's in the ball container. I'm going to test drive it. See if it tastes sour or tastes of vodka. Got enough here. pleasant smoke. Some Fantasy's got a bit of a sweet feel to it. I thought, right, let's try it with some of that, see what happens. Here goes. Does it work? Still a little bit of ghost in there, not as much as it was. Getting a bit of vodka as well. I'm not a bit breathalyzed late. But, oh yeah. Seems to have done the trick a bit better. Keep posting. Greetings everybody, a bit noisy because we're on the main road here. At the end of our road, I've just been and had some breakfast before in bacon butties. And a girl in there says apparently it's a bit of a procession coming along here in the next 10-15 minutes. Of like supercars and old-fashioned cars and buses. So I thought, well, I'm not doing anything. I thought I'll spark my pipe up and sit and watch, see what comes. So watch this space. Nothing's turned up yet. Maybe she's winding us up and we stood here like lemons for like 15 minutes. Soon find out. Here he come. This one. Hey, there's my car! What's that it? Is that I've been waiting for 15 minutes for just to see some poses in a bloody Ferrari or where it was? It's all sports cars and things. Hey? Flying around. What the fuck's that? Hey! This one! Oh, there's more here. There we go, look at these here. I don't think she's part of the parade, it's just some bird in a Porsche. Aston Martin, that's me. Hey, we're on. You better not come now when the bloody run is over. So there you go. That was a bunch of rich bastards showing off the cars. Yeah, I don't know what that was all about, but they do it every year apparently. Look at my car. Look at my pipe. There's a cop car again. See that one? I wonder if it turns into a submarine. Oh, look at that, baby. Get out of the way, these two. Oh, after this one. Oh, we live down here.
Yeah.
Bunch of noisy bastards. Well, what was all that bloody racket about, eh? Wonder what that is in aid of? Maybe charity or something, or... It's Tatton Park car show today. Vintage car show. Well, that's in Cheshire. That's down here where Bob lives. The old Tatton Mile. Got fond memories of Tatton Mile. Won't go into that though. Well, it's the right bloody racket. I'm just looking and bloody grass. Grass is up again. We'll have to sort that out. You can see. It sounds like they're coming round again. Yeah, you sat nice having a peaceful afternoon in your garden. All you can hear is bloody Brands Action mixed with the TT races flying past. Oh well, like your pipe.